Alright guys, so we're back from Walmart. They did the oil change, which is good. Now I got another little project. I gotta change the bulbs on my license plate because they went out. So this is a 2013 Nissan Quest. Cannot get through here, and you can't get from anywhere else. So you gotta snap this and this and this somehow and take this off. But the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna snap these and these. Okay, and the way to do that, you just use a flex head screwdriver. You put it through here and these pop right out, as you can see. These pop right out, as you can see. I'll try and get them out. Alright, once I unsnap these, this is supposed to come right out. But I don't know, I don't think just that. Alright guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check it out. Alright guys, so here we go again. So what I did first, you gotta take these two pins out. Pins out. One goes here and one goes here. And you have to take this little plastic, or this goes, take it out from here. Alright? Now like I said, what I'm trying to do is change my, so in order to do that, you gotta get into here. Now once you do that, you get a screwdriver and this should snap right off. So what I'm gonna do with this screwdriver, I have to go all around this, and take this basically piece off. So I'll be back for that. Alright guys, so basically what I did, took this whole panel off. This panel is the one that goes right here. Turn the light on, see? So basically took all this off, just leave it hanging. It has all these pins here, just gonna have to go back in there. I hope I didn't break any, but I think I did. Look, I broke one, broke two. Anyways guys, so now that that panel's off, the license plate lights are up here in there. Can you see them? Let me turn this light on. It must come handy right now. Okay, so there's one and there's two. So now I'm gonna have to take that off and that one off. Even if I can just get one on, I'll be happy with that. But I'll put the camera down and I'll be back. Okay, that wasn't that bad. So basically all you gotta do is just twist it, and the light bulb is right here. And you do the same with this one, assuming you can get your hand in there. If not, you're gonna have to ask, because it's pretty tight. My hands are not that big, but you know, you gotta grab from here and twist it. Maybe it's this way. Let's see if I can do it. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, what the heck. Now let's see if it's this way. The other one I did, I just grabbed it and twisted. Okay, there it goes. There we go. See how that got twisted like this? And just pull it out. So you got the other light bulb, and you can see they're burned out. So I got my two light bulbs here, 168. Now remember guys, this is just for Nissan Quest. Mine is a 2013, I believe it is. So let's change these bulbs. Alright guys, so I changed this one. Basically all you got to do is just pull these out. I can't really do it. Let's see if I can do it with one hand. One moment. Okay, I just pulled it out. Just pull it out, and you grab your new one. Basically, it's just gonna go in. Now I'm gonna put the camera down because I don't want to drop this sucker. All right, so I'm gonna turn the car on and make sure that they come on, because all right, they should be on right there. So now let's see if they're on. Yep, they're working. See, so both of my light bulbs are working. Now to stick them back in there and put this back, and I should be good to go. That's good. Let's turn the car off. Yeah, guys, so trying to make this little video, but I'm not done yet, so we're gonna put these back on. So there you have it, guys. Put this back. It's back in. When you put it back in, you just gotta hit it. All right, guys. So got this in place. Got this back in place. Got the two things. This one didn't want to go in that much, but it's okay. As long as all this is working fine. And, all right, guys, and there you have it. Both of my license plates are on. This is very important. You gotta have these, so you might get pulled over. So they're on. And remember, guys, the way to change those on a Nissan Quest is you have to take these off, take this off. You got to take these two off, this off, and then just unsnap it. You know. And I mean, not a professional, but it's not gonna pop in the same way that it did. Just gonna hit it. So we're gonna snap it back in, and it should be good to go. Alright, guys, we got the train going on over there. But yeah, I think that's it on this. I just went and got an oil change, so that's good. Got my plates on, and that is all for this little vlog. You know, we went to Walmart, went to buy some stuff. Just wanted to take you guys on a little vlog and how to install the license plate on the car. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like my videos. So everyday struggle, everyday life things videos here. So I'll see you in my next one.